Myself, Shivansh Gandhi. I'm a second year undergraduate student of the Department of Electrical Engineering, enrolled in its dual degree course, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. It thrills me very much that I'm applying for Invention Factory 2023. Since beginning, I'm very much inclined towards innovation and tech. I'm very intrigued that how everything works, and I like to brainstorm of different new things and making my dreams into reality. Because of this, I joined Prodex in my college, which is a techno innovation society and dedicated for product designing and development. During the tenure, I learned various new skills like CAD modeling and how you can approach different problems differently. With the help of extremely qualified professors, my fellow seniors, and my fellow batchmates, I learned various new things and developed team spirit. And then I joined KRSSG, which is Kharagpur Robo Soccer Students Group, which is a research group whose aim is to build autonomous bots which can play soccer. With my tenure with the search group, I learned various new skills like Arduino coding and how circuit designing works and how you can make your circuit designing into reality by using PCB designing. I learned a lot about different sensors like ESP32, which is a Bluetooth sensor, etc. I also learned how communication between two different microcontrollers is worked, wirelessly or wired. And now I would be explaining two of my recent projects, one for which I went for Empower 2022 in IIT Madras, for which we made an accessible plug which indicates a blind person if the electric device is connected or disconnected. For this, we had extensive brainstorming sessions and finally decided how we can approach the problem. I in the team was responsible for circuit designing and coding part, for which we decided we would be using Arduino and Hall effect sensor. So if the current is flowing or not, it can tell Hall effect sensor can tell if the current is flowing or not. Then we calibrated the values for indicating that the device is turned on or off. The other competition I participated was product designing in General Championship of IIT Kharagpur, for which we, the team of 20, approx 20, decided to make a vaccine box which would increase the shelf life of vaccines by 96 hours. We cooled the vaccines by using chemical reactions and we preserved the cooling by using thermoflask, for which me and my fellow seniors devised the mechanism for the same. I in the team was part of mechanism team and designed the circuit for the same and did the PCB designing part.